Hello guys, how are you? Today's topic is soil systems and society. This is chapter 5. This is going to be the new topic that we're going to study. So what do we need to know? We're going to study first introduction to soils. We're going to know what is a soil, which is the definition of soil, how is the dynamic of this ecosystem, and we need to know, develop some applications and skills, outline the transfers, transformations, inputs, outputs, flows, and storages in soils. You already know what is a transfer, a transformation, inputs, and outputs, but we have to think in this dynamic ecosystem that is soil, okay? We have to know how to explain how soil can be viewed as an ecosystem. Remember that we have millions of microorganisms in soil. Also water, CO2, oxygen moves through soil. And plants, soil is the main base for living beings, right? They have to live in soil and they have to get nutrients as plants. And another skill is to know how to compare and contrast the structure and properties of sand, clay, and loam soils. Those are different kinds of soils. Now, knowledge and understanding, we need to know what is the soil, the storages, and everything, okay? So first, what is soil? Soil is a complex ecosystem. Why complex? Because it has too many inputs, different outputs. It's made up of minerals, organic material, gases, and liquids, which forms the habitats for many animals and plants. We tend to take soil around us for granted, but it's more than just mud and dirt. Remember that. All the food that we consume depends on soil. Plants grow in soil. Soil is a habitat for many organisms. They hold, holds water, minerals, nutrients for plants. Soil store and transfer heat, so affecting the atmospheric temperature is very important. Soil, how affects that. And soil are part of the lithosphere, where life processes and soil forming processes both take places, okay? So in this part, we have the storages. Which are the storages of soil? Organic matter, organisms, nutrients, minerals, air, and water. Transfers between the soil, biological mixing. Remember that we have many different processes happening in soil. Translocation, what is translocation? The movement of soil particles in suspension. And leaching. Leaching is a process that is very important. It's how minerals dissolve in water and they are moved through soil. Okay, leaching is bad because if we have a soil that contains minerals and nutrients and something happens, those minerals and nutrients are going to be lost. In agriculture, that is not acceptable. Then we have organic material, including leaf inputs. Organic material, including leaf, litter, and organic material from parent material, precipitation, and energy. Outputs, uptake by plants and soil erosion. Transformations could be decomposition, weathering, and nutrient cycle. Remember that, okay? I'm going to continue in the next video.